The equation of straight lines, first one is slope intercept form is given by y is equal to mx plus c, and next equation of a straight line using intercept form, intercept form is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Next third one, equation of a straight line in point slope form. Point slope form is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Next equation of a straight line 2-point form. So 2-point form is given by x minus x1 into y1 minus y2, which is equal to y minus y1 into x2 x1 minus x2. So these are all these straight line equation forms we learned about in previous classes. And slope of the given line is 2 points. Slope of the line is measured by m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If the two lines are parallel, then their slopes is equal, that is slope m1 is equal to slope of another line m2. If those two lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So now another some note we have. If 3 points a comma b comma c given by x1 comma y1, b point x2 comma y2, and c point x3 comma y3 are collinear. So if 3 points a comma b comma a b c are collinear, then slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Okay, so by using these formulas we solve the problems. Now we discuss some of the problems regarding to these problems. So basically all these problems are given in 2 marks questions. Okay. Problem number 1. Find the condition for the points. Find the condition for the points a comma 0, h comma k, and 0 comma b, where AB not equal to 0 to be collinear. So solution: let A is equal to a comma 0 and B is equal to h comma k and C is equal to 0 comma b. So given that these 3 points are to be collinear, so we have the condition 3 points are collinear, slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. So therefore slope of slope of AB, which is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So it is using by the formula 2 points are given, the equation of the line using 2 points. The slope of that line is taken as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Therefore, which is equal to k minus 0 by h minus a, that equal to k by h minus a. Next, slope of BC. So slope of BC line, again y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So which is equal to y2 as taken as b minus y1 is taken as k by 0 minus h. So which is equal to b minus k by minus h. So since a comma b comma c are collinear, we have slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. So that is equal to, so which implies k by h minus a is equal to b minus k by minus h. Okay. So now, which implies by cross multiplying we get minus hk is equal to h minus a into b minus k. So by cross multiplying we get h minus h into k is equal to h minus a into b minus k. Okay. Now minus hk is equal to, so hb minus hk minus ab plus ak. So here minus hk are both get cancelled, and remaining hb minus ab plus ak is equal to 0. Okay, therefore hb is equal to hb plus ak is equal to ab. So dividing both sides with AB, so we get hb by ab plus ak by ab is equal to ab by ab. So here ab cancel, a cancel, b cancel. Therefore required condition is h by a plus k by b is equal to 1 is the required condition which is required. Okay, next problem number 2. Find the value of x. Find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through, if the slope of the line passing through two comma 5 and x comma 3 is 2. Solution. So given that 2 points given 2 comma 5 and x comma 3, we have to find the value of x and which slope is given as 2. So let a is equal to 2 comma 5 and b is equal to x comma 3. Given 2 points, given slope given slope m is equal to 2, we have slope and 2 points. Okay, so slope m is equal to, therefore the slope of the line passing through two points is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So we have the slope 2, so which implies 2 is equal to, so here this is x1 y1 and b point taken as x2 y2. Okay, now substituting this, 3 minus 5 by x2 means x minus 2, so which implies this is 2 is equal to minus 2 by x minus 2. So therefore 2 into x minus 2 is equal to minus 2, which implies 2x minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Therefore 2x is equal to minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 1. So here the value of x is equal to 1. Next, problem number 3. Find the value of y if the line joining points three comma y and 2 comma 7 is parallel to the line joining the points minus 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Okay, solution. So given that, find the value of y, we have to find the value of y. So here is the y, so the line joining points, so the line which is joined by these 2 points is parallel to the line joining by these 2 points. That means this is the line, this is one line, so which is 3 comma y and 2 comma 7, so which is parallel to another line, so minus 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Okay, so these lines are parallel, so we know that the slope of the parallel lines is equal to m1 is equal to m2. So by using that, we have to find the value of y. So let given points, the given points a is equal to 3 comma y, b is equal to 2 comma 7, c is equal to minus 1 comma 4 and d is equal to 0 comma 6. So this is line point A, this is point B, so this is point D, this is point C. If two lines are parallel, their slopes equal. So therefore slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. So slope of CD. So that equal to this slope is m1 anukunte, this slope is m2. So which is taken as, so by using these slopes, m1 is taken as So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is equal to m1, and m2 is also taken as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So so this is taken as m1 is equal to m2 now. So 7 minus y by 2 minus 3, which is equal to, so now 6 minus 4 by 0 minus of minus 1. So 0 minus of minus 1. So which is 7 minus y by minus 1 is equal to, so 6 minus 4 means 2. 2 by minus into minus 1. So that is equal to 1. So 7 minus y is equal to minus 2. Therefore y is equal to 7 plus 2. Therefore y is equal to 9. So the value of y is equal to 9. So next, problem number 4. Find the equation of the straight line which makes make 150 degrees angle with the x-axis in the positive direction, and which passes through the point points point minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, so solution. So given that, we have to find the equation of that straight line which makes 150 degrees with the x-axis in the positive direction and which passes through the point minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, so given inclination, means angle. Angle theta is equal to 150 degrees. So tan theta, slope of the line m is equal to tan theta, that is equal to tan of 150 degrees. So which implies m is equal to tan of, so 150 degrees means 90 plus 60 degrees. So tan 90 minus theta, that equal to minus cot theta, that is equal to minus cot 60 degrees. So minus cot 60, that is minus 1 by root 3, which is given by minus 1 by root 3. Therefore m is equal to minus 1 by root 3. So we have to find the equation. We have the slope and we have a point, slope point form. So the equation of the, therefore the equation of the straight line passes through minus 2 comma minus 1 is having slope m is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is given by, so we have slope and we have point, slope point formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So substituting slope and point, we get the equation of the line. so which implies y minus y1 means, so this is minus 1, which is equal to slope is minus 1 by root 3 into x minus x1 means minus of minus 2, so which implies y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by root 3 into x plus 2, so which is equal to root 3 into y plus root 3 is equal to minus x minus of x plus 2, so which is equal to root 3 into y plus root 3 is equal to minus x minus 2, so which implies x plus root 3 y plus root 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. So required equation is, therefore required equation of straight line is x plus root 3 into y plus 2 plus root 3 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line, which makes an angle 150 degrees with the x-axis and point passing through the point minus 2 comma minus 1. So next problem number 5. Problem number 5. Find the equation of the straight line passing through. Find the equation of straight line passing through minus 4 comma 5 and cutting off equal and non-zero intercepts on the coordinate axis, and cutting off equal and non-zero intercepts on coordinate axis. Okay, solution. So the equation of the straight line using intercept form is given by, the equation of straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So cutting the equal and non-zero intercepts, okay. So equal and non-zero intercepts means here x intercept and equal and non-zero intercepts means a is equal to b, okay, and a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0, and the line passing through the point minus 4 comma 5, okay. So therefore let it be equation 1. So from 1, which becomes x by a plus y by a is equal to 1, which implies x plus y is equal to a. So because the intercepts are equal, so equal and non-zero intercepts means intercepts are equal, a is equal to b and those are not equal to 0. That means a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. Then the equation becomes x by a plus y by a is equal to 1, x plus a is equal to a. So this is so let it be equation 2. And now since the equation, so this is passes through point minus 4 comma 5. Okay, so that means we have to substitute the values in this. We get the a value, so that is substituting minus 4 comma 5 in equation 2. So minus 4 plus 5 is equal to a, therefore a is equal to 1. So we have to find the equation of the line. So that is, therefore the required equation is x plus y is equal to 1. So substituting a value, we get the required equation of the line, which cutting off equal and non-zero intercepts with the coordinate axis. Here the x-intercept and y-intercepts are equal and they are non-zero. That means a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. Then the equation of the straight line intercept form becomes x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. Therefore x plus y is equal to a. So this is the line is passes through the point minus 4 comma 5. So substituting 4 comma 5 in this equation, we get a value, a is equal to 1. So substituting a value in equation 2, we get the required equation of the straight line x plus y is equal to 1. Next, problem number 6. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point. So find the equation of straight line passing through the points a t1 square, a t2 square, a t1 square comma, okay, sorry, 2a t1, a t1 square comma 2a t1 and a t2 square comma 2a t2. Okay, we have to find the equation of the straight line passing through these 2 points. So solution, let a is equal to a t1 square comma 2a t1 and b is equal to a2 square comma 2a t2. Then the equation of straight line passing through 2 points, a comma b is given by x minus x1 into y2 minus y1, which is equal to y2 minus y minus y1 into x2 minus x1. So substituting, we get, so here a point is taken as x1 comma y1 and b point is taken as x2 comma y2. So substituting these values, x minus x1 means x minus a_t1 square comma y2 means 2a t2 minus, so y1 means 2a t1, which is equal to y minus y1 means 2a t1 into x2 means a t1 square a t2 square minus x1 means a t1 square. So solving this, we get x minus a t1 square into, so by taking 2a as common we get 2a into t2 minus t1, which is equal to y minus 2a t1. So by taking a common, t2 square minus t1 square, so here a and a are both get cancelled, so remaining values are and so x minus a t1 square into 2 into t2 minus t1, which is equal to y minus 2a t1 into, so this is we can write as a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to t2 minus t1 into t2 plus t1. So here t2 minus t1 and t2 minus t1 are both get cancelled, then the remaining part we can write which is equal to x minus a t1 square into 2 is equal to y minus 2a t1 and t2 minus t2 plus t1, okay, t2 plus t1. So multiplying we get x minus 2x minus 2a t1 square is equal to y t2 plus y t2 plus, so y into t2 plus t1 minus 2 into a t1 t2 minus 2a t1 square. So here minus 2a t1 square, here minus 2a t1 square are both get cancelled, therefore remaining 2x is equal to y into t2 plus t1 minus 2a t1 into t2. So remaining term which may not be cancelled, so therefore the required equation is, therefore the required equation of straight line is 2x minus y into t1 plus t2 plus 2a t1 into t2 is equal to 0. So is the required equation of the straight line. And next problem number 7. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3 comma minus 4 and making x and y intercepts which are in the ratio x and y intercepts which are in the ratio 2:3. So solution. So given that the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3 comma minus 4 and making x and y intercepts which are in the ratio 2:3. Here the x intercept and y intercepts are in ratio 2:3. So therefore the equation of the straight line intercept form, the equation of straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So this, let this be equation 1. Given that the ratio of intercepts, given that the ratio of intercepts, so given the ratio of intercepts is equal to 2:3. So that means x-intercept is a is taken as 2a and y-intercept is taken as 3a. Okay, so from 1 so x by 2a plus y by 3a is equal to 1, so which implies 3x plus 2y is equal to 6a square, 6a. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 6a. By taking LCM 6a, we get 3x plus 2y is equal to 6a. So this is equation number 2. So since the point 3 comma minus 4 is passing through the line equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 6a, substituting this we get a value. So now 3 comma minus 4 passing through equation 2. So then 3 into 3 plus 2 into minus 4 is equal to 6a, which implies 9 minus 8 is equal to 6a. So which is equal to 1 is equal to 6a, a is equal to 1 by 6. So now substituting a value, we get the equation of the line. So therefore substituting a is equal to 1 by 6 in equation 2, we get the required equation of line. So that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 6 into 1 by 6. Here 6 get cancelled. Therefore 3x plus 2y is equal to 1 is the required equation of the line which passes through the point 3 comma minus 4 and making x and y intercepts which are in the ratio 2:3. Here the x-intercept is taken as 2a and y-intercept is taken as 3a because the ratio is given as 2:3.